What's up, guys? I wanted to make a video comparing futures prop firms to trading a real live money account. So I've been on both sides now, and also want to talk about why I left Tradovate later in the video. I used prop firms in the beginning to learn futures trading, and I do think that they are great tools in that regard for learning in a sim environment where there are still rules to follow and the potential for earning money. But I've always said that they should be tools and not your end game, where your end game is trading your own money. You can use prop firms as a way to fund a live account or try new strategies, or just practice in a place where your winning trades still earn you money without that feel of pressure that can come from using your own money. Now, something you can only do with prop firms, which is becoming more popular, is trading multiple accounts through a trade copier. For example, you can go get 5 accounts on TopStep or 10 or up to 20 Apex accounts when they're at an 80% off or 90% off sale. And by the way, I will have links to Apex and TopStep and all the other softwares I talk about in the video. You can click those in the links below. But you can grab 20 Apex accounts for like $30 each, and then once you pass the eval, you can basically trade micros. You can make $50 a day and make $20,000 a month. Let me explain. If you're confused, well, what traders do is they connect to a trading platform like MotiveWave, which is what I use and recommend now. You can take one trade, make $50, that trade copies across 20 accounts simultaneously, and now you've made $1,000. Times that by 20 trading days, and that's $20,000 a month for a single $50 micro trade.
So you're telling me there's a chance?
Now, easier said than done. You have to pass these accounts. Apex has an unrealized trailing drawdown and activation fees, but you can always start with like 5 or 10 accounts and work your way up. But that might be something that you're into, especially once you level up your trading. I'm trading my own live money account, and I'm kind of thinking about doing the trade copier as well. The live account has really given me experience trading in higher stakes trading, but you can do 5 at a time and pass them and then trade copy, and it could end up being a good living. For anyone new here, I do have a coaching and mentorship program called Full-Time Trader. I've been heavily focused on trading order flow, and I'm slowly adding course material on order flow trading. I post a pre-market plan every day and my intraday thoughts when I'm entering and exiting and the thought process behind the trades, so you can learn from them. So if you're looking to level up your trading and hit your goals, you definitely want to check that out. It will be the first link in the description below. Now, live money. I finally made the jump from only trading prop firms to live money for multiple reasons. Number one, it was time. Number two, I wanted to trade live futures, so it just made the fact that I have a course and students and everything more legit. I think it's fair, and I owe it to those who learn from me to be in a live account. I'll still use prop firms like doing the multiple accounts on Apex or TopStep, but my main account is going to be my live from here on out. The stakes are higher during live and the emotions are more real, but I am more patient with my entries. I found that on prop firms, overtrading was really easy, and on live accounts, I'm not putting on risk unless it makes sense. There are no 20, 30, 40, 50 trades a day on my live account, which was kind of a low number often on prop firms. I could trade a lot on those sometimes. Overtrading was an issue, and I had to clean that up. But I focus on a few trades a day and only entries that can give me at least 2 to 4 times my risk. Otherwise, I just won't take the trade. I also switched to MotiveWave and got rid of Tradovate completely. Tradovate has just had a lot of issues ever since Ninja bought them, especially through prop firms. Everyone is either using Tradovate, MetaTrader, or Ninja. And what do I know but the powers that be and big money play games, and those software outages always happen at the most inopportune times for us traders. So moving to MotiveWave, which is legit a super good software and is comparable to Sierra charts, and it runs on a Mac natively, which is amazing. I can use MotiveWave to view volume profiles, footprint charts, a DOM, which is a depth of market, and tons of other order flow features. And it even has a heat map and a big trade study, which mimics Bookmap. So you can save money on Bookmap if you've got MotiveWave. It has a fantastic trade copier as well for those interested in running multiple accounts. It does cost money, but I think it's worth it, especially if you want to take trading seriously, so there'll be a link below to check out MotiveWave. I am using the order flow edition. Now for my broker, I'm using EdgeClear, which is a fantastic customer support. They always answer their phone. If you're in a trade and you're not by your computer, you can call them up and ask them to exit the trade for you, and they can take care of it. I've partnered with them, and they've been kind enough to offer a discount on commissions for whoever signs up through me. I don't receive anything from EdgeClear except the same great commission rate that you can take advantage of by clicking the link below. So if you want a solid American-based broker, then check out EdgeClear. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, because my future uploads will be about trade reviews, order flow lessons, and MotiveWave tutorials, and much more. Now, there is a debate among traders on prop firms or real accounts, so I'm curious on what you think. Let me know in the comments. Are they good? Are they bad? Are they like a necessary evil? They're relatively new. These online prop firms, they've only been around the last few years. They've really blown up in the last year or two. I think they're good tools for novice traders, but always your goal should be trading your own capital and keeping 100% of the profits. But I do have to say that 5, 10, 20 accounts, if you can manage risk right, it's pretty enticing. I'm gonna have to try that one out. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.